I know I don't film everything, but I better put some grill lights in the vid. I won't go make a video on this because I don't film everything, but I am about to show y'all what I did. I'm drilling holes and I'm using, if you can see it, I had drilled some holes and holding it up with zip ties that came with it because that shit not sticky enough. And I got this part hanging, so I'm gonna put a zip tie in this part to hold it. And this part, I'm gonna just let it hang, probably. Just pull it this way some. The two yellows for the turn signal, I'm not using that. I'm just using the black and the green. The black go to the negative and the green go to the positive. And I'm gonna be using this so I can have a better connection.